Good morning to everyone. I'm SK Pritama studying in class 7 of Dr. Kishore System LIT School. Me and my friends are here to activity of soil treatment. First, take a conical flask and pour somewhat soil or sand. Put some water, pour some water in it. Shake well. We use this litmus for checking the nature of the soil. We can see that the blue litmus does not change its color. Means if it changes into blue into red, it is acidic soil. Means it is not an acidic soil. We check with the red soil, red litmus. You can observe it lightly changes into blue. Means when red litmus changes into blue, it is basic soil. We can confirm that it is a basic soil. Thank you.